Hey, what is up guys? In this video I am going to unbox new F&D E200 mini soundbar. First let me unwrap this. On the side of the box, some of the features are mentioned of AAS technology, delivers deep bass, USB powered 3.5mm jack, simple and slim design. Let me show you what's inside the box. Inside the box, one USB cable, user manual and warranty card is included. This is the USB power cable and you need to put this pin at the back side of the soundbar. And you can connect this cable to any adapter or to your PC. This is the 3.5mm jack. You can put this jack to your mobile or to your PC. This soundbar is having a good build quality and simple design. And backside wall mount holes are given, you can attach to your wall. And here the volume knob is given, you can control the volume manually. Let me play some music through my mobile and PC.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.